Introducing the impressive 2021 Cupra Formentor E-hyb E-hybrid with a powerful 204 horsepower DSG engine and a sleek grey exterior, packed with top-of-the-line features like Bluetooth phone, satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking, and even a Wi-Fi network. This vehicle offers not only comfort and convenience, but also safety and security, with features like lane departure warning and multiple airbags. With a stylish design and advanced technology, you'll turn heads wherever you go. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this exceptional vehicle. Call us or visit our website at windsor.ie for more information. Drive in style and confidence with the 2021 Cupra Formentor E-hyb E-hybrid.